Hey, it's Bruce, weedersdigest.com, and well, guess what? We've done it again. We've uh, we've topped ourselves again. In this case, we have a 48-inch wide, bigger than anything else on the market, both in the width and in the length. The length is 16 and a half feet long. You can add extensions up to 22, although it gets a little sloppy. But there's nothing bigger, there's nothing better or stronger or better on the market. We've made some improvements into this one over our other rakes. And check this out. Here's what my neighbor, people that I know sometimes use is, just your standard rake. Well, this is 3.5 times bigger. A lot of times people will use something like this. Well, this is 2.5 times bigger than those. So, from a productivity standpoint, yeah, it's a little more money, but in the end, what's your time worth? Usually, this is being used at a cabin or in a pond or, something where people are trying to use it to enjoy their weekend time or their free time or their recreational time. At the same time, we sell a lot of these in a commercial manner too. Check out the reinforced teeth, different than what we've sold in any of our other rakes. And all of our rakes are good. This just happens to be, again, the biggest, the longest, the strongest, the best, and where that little float comes from. And in full disclosure, that's just a little noodle on there, but it's used to float and skim, and that's what it's done really well for. Now it's got a little bit of wiggle when you get that length to it, but that doesn't bother me in the least bit. In fact, I use it kind of to add additional pressure. When you go to that 22 foot that I was talking about, well, that's when you really need to be thinking about the fact that it's only designed for skimming. But it comes in 5.5 foot sections, so you get 16 and a half feet, but you can use 5.5, 11, or 16 and a half. Check it out today at foryourshore.com or weedersdigest.com.